Most people hear about Genius inside the Albert app and assume it is just another subscription add-on. But here's the truth no one tells you. The value of Genius depends entirely on how you use it, and many users never tap into its real benefits. In this video, you'll get a clear, simple breakdown of Albert Genius in 2026. You'll learn what it actually does, what you get for the cost, who it is really for, and whether it is worth keeping or canceling. Let's start with the basics. Albert Genius is a paid membership inside the Albert app that offers financial guidance, automated saving tools, budgeting insights, and access to human financial experts. On paper, it sounds powerful. But here's where it gets interesting. Not every feature is equally useful for every user. For example, someone like Jake who just wants help saving a few extra dollars per week will use Genius very differently from someone managing multiple income streams or trying to pay down debt aggressively. Now let's break down what you actually get. One of the main features is automated savings. Albert analyzes your spending and moves small amounts into savings automatically. This is designed to help you save without thinking about it. For many users, this is the most noticeable benefit. But here's the problem. If your income is irregular or your account balance is often low, these automated moves can sometimes feel unpredictable. That is something you need to watch carefully. Another feature is budgeting insights. Albert categorizes your spending and shows where your money is going. This is helpful if you have never tracked expenses before. For someone like Alex who just started managing personal finances, this can be a wake-up call. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Genius feature also includes access to financial experts. You can ask questions about saving, debt, or investing and get real human responses. This is one of the most underrated parts of the service. However, response speed can vary, and it is not a replacement for professional financial advisors. It is more like guided support rather than deep financial planning. Let's talk about cost. Genius is a subscription service, so you pay a monthly fee. The key question is whether the savings and insights you get are worth more than what you pay. If you are actively using automated savings, getting budgeting clarity, and engaging with the advice feature, then yes, it can be worth it. But if you rarely open the app or do not use the insights, then you may not get full value. Now here is a common mistake. Many users subscribe during a free trial, forget about it, and never actually use the features. That leads to paying for something that is not helping them at all. So who is Genius actually best for? It works best for beginners who struggle with saving, people trying to build better money habits, or users who want simple guidance without hiring a financial planner. It is less useful for advanced users who already manage budgets or invest regularly. Before deciding, here is a quick way to evaluate it. Ask yourself if you actively use budgeting tools right now. If the answer is no, Genius might help you start. If the answer is yes, and you already have a system, you may not need it. So here are the key takeaways. Genius offers automated savings, budgeting insights, and expert support. It is most valuable for beginners and inconsistent savers. And its worth depends entirely on how actively you use it. If this breakdown helped you decide, leave a comment with your experience, like the video, and subscribe for more simple app reviews that help you make smarter money decisions.